Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can run a Node.js project in Visual Studio Code or anywhere from command prompt or in any other IDE. So first, let's open the project in Visual Studio Code. If you are using Cursor or any other IDE, the steps are the same. I've just downloaded a sample project and I'll open this project. Here, make sure you are inside your project directory. Right now, I am inside sample node project. There's another folder called sample node project, and then there are the project files. So what happens is if I open terminal, I'm inside sample node project, but if I check dir lists the file inside this project in Windows. I only see another sample node project. In Mac or Linux, the command is ls-l. It'll show you the contents of the current directory. Now I only see sample node project because this project or this folder has another folder which contains these things. So to check how it looks, it's like this. So I'm inside sample node project. Again, there is sample node project folder, and then there are project files. So this is important because you need to be inside your actual project folder that contains the files. So I'll just cd and then do sample node project. Now finally we are inside the sample node project folder inside the sample node project. And if I do dir now, I can see the project files. Again, in Mac or Linux, just do ls-l and then you'll see the project files. Now once you are here, you can run the node project, but before that you need to make sure you have node and npm installed. Check that, just do node-version. You should see node version. If you don't see, I'll tell you what to do in just a minute. And to check npm version, just do npm-version, and then you should be able to see npm version. Now if you don't have node and npm installed, you won't see this here. You'll probably see command not found. If that's what is happening in your case, you just need to go to nodejs.org. From here, you need to download Node for your specific OS. You can just click on Get Node.js, and here by default, your operating system will be selected, but you don't need to install Node using Docker. So scroll down. Here you'll see your OS and your machine selected by default. Just click on the installer and then install it. Once the installation is complete, just close this, go back to your IDE or command prompt wherever you are, and then just run this command, npm install. Now npm install installs all the required dependencies for your project. Make sure you are inside your project folder where you have all the files before you run this command. And after doing npm install, you just need to run npm start. Hit enter and you'll see something like this. Server running on port 127. Okay, this is wrong in my case. In any case, you will see your server and port here. Now you can just click control and click this to open this in a browser. This is wrong here. Let me just fix this in the code. Okay, let's run this again. Just do npm start and you'll see a URL and port. Control click this or open this in a browser. Let's open a browser. Paste the URL and hit enter and you will see your node website here. Now if you don't see a URL here and if you just see server running on port 3000, you can just go to your browser, enter this IP 127.0.0.1. this is for your local host, and then write :3000 or whatever port is being printed in your command prompt or terminal. Okay, now if you do npm start and it does not run, go ahead and check inside package.json. Here you will see start or something else. Start is the default and it should work in all situations, but if it's something else like dev, this will also do the same thing. npm dev, it's not dev, it's npm run dev. And yeah, so this is basically how you can run Node.js project in VS Code, Cursor, or from your terminal. Now, if you don't see something like this and you cannot run npm start, you'll see server.js or app.js, an entry point here. So what you can do is you can just do node and then directly enter the file name server.js or app.js, and then it will do the same thing. It will start your server. So this is how you can run Node.js project. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.